Hello everyone, welcome to the Crafty Muffins, and I'm back with another craft video. In today's video, I'm making an owl plushie, also known as a soft toy. This is how the plushie looks. The best part about this is that I made it out of really soft hand towels. If you like my videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications bell on. The materials that you require for this project are some soft fabric. Like I mentioned before, I'm using these soft hand towels, some polyester stuffing, craft foam in different colors. If you do not have craft foam, you can use felt, a needle and thread, hot glue, scissors, pen and a ruler, and some paper to make your template. To start off, take the piece of paper and fold it into half to demarcate the middle line. Then I drew a very basic owl shape. I made the head bigger than the body. I folded the paper in half once more and then proceeded to cut off the template like so. This is what the template looks like. This is the fabric that I will be using today for the plushie. Soft, and I got it at a very cheap price. I actually bought these in bulk in different colors. I'm going to use two of these towels. I placed them one above the other with the right side facing inside. I then traced the template on it like so. I pinned the two pieces together to keep it in place. Then I started stitching all over the tracing with a back stitch. Here is a close-up of the stitch. I stitched all over the tracing except at the bottom. Then I cut off the excess fabric. Then I turned it the right side out. It's now time to stuff the plushie. Use a lot of polyester stuffing for this. Once I was happy with the stuffing, I took a small oval piece of cardboard and I placed it at the bottom like so. I proceeded to seal off the gap with a hidden stitch. The cardboard will help provide a base to the plushie so that it can stand. Then I cut a square piece of fabric. This piece measures 8 centimeters. Fold the piece as shown. I then sealed it off with a simple stitch to avoid the piece from unfolding. Fold the top of the piece inwards and then stitch this piece to the side of the plushie like so. I'm using an extremely simple stitch to stitch this piece to the plushie. Because the fabric is so fluffy, you cannot actually see the stitches, so you do not have to be extremely neat. This will form the wing of the owl. Keep stitching the wing until the bottom, but leave a gap of about 1 inch towards the bottom. So you need to avoid stitching the tip so that it forms a curve. Be the same on the other side. Now tie a piece of thread around the neck of the plushie. Wound it as tightly as you can. This will help demarcate the neck of the owl. Once done, just tie a knot around it. Take a piece of white foam and draw a strip of around half a centimeter in width like so. Towards one of the ends, draw a triangle as shown. Cut it. You need 2 of these pieces. This will form the collar around the owl's neck. Starting in the middle, glue one of the pieces to the neck like so. In the back, glue the piece till the center of the neck and cut off the excess. Repeat the same with the other piece. On a piece of paper, draw the template of a tie like so. Fold the piece into half and cut off the template. Trace the template on a piece of red foam. Cut it. Glue the tie right in the center like so. Also cut a heart from pink foam and glued it on the tie. Take a piece of white foam and fold it in half to demarcate the middle line. Draw 2 circles. Now these circles have to overlap each other like so. Cut it. These will be the eyes of the owl. Glue it to the plushie as shown. Cut a triangular piece of yellow foam and glue it right between the eyes for the beak. Cut 2 black foam circles. These need to be half the size of the white circles for the eyes. Glue it on top of the white foam like so. Take a rectangular piece of paper, fold it into half to demarcate the middle line. Now proceed to draw a pair of glasses on it like so. Once you're happy with the shape and size, fold it into half and cut it. Also cut the inner piece. I traced the pair of glasses on a piece of black foam and cut it. Now I will glue it to the plushie like so. Lastly, I cut 2 tiny white foam circles and glued it on the eyes like so for the reflection. And the plushie is done. I'm a beginner at creating plushies, but I loved the way this one turned out and it was quite simple to make. Please let me know what you think about this plushie in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.